All right, for many of you, this might be the first time you've viewed one of these videos. For each lab book, I try to work through at least part of the homework so that I know that you know how to do each section. All right, so this is just the start of our Bond for Life lab book homework. Let's go ahead and look at the questions. It says, for each of the following elements, use one of the following phrases to describe their reactivity. We have A, reacts with cold water and acids. B, reacts with strong acids only. C, reacts with hot water, steam, and acid. And then D, does not react with water or acids. All right, something that I have not done yet. We will get it. Do this later. We've probably already done it. Is label our periodic table with these clues. We did a lab and then I just forgot to do it. So let me pause this real quick. All right, I'm going to bring up this periodic table. All right, in the periodic table, we're going to want to write a couple of things on it. Now yours is colored already and there's tons of stuff written over here and down here. But for us right now, let's go ahead. We're going to fill a couple of things in. You are allowed, and please make sure that you do this. All right, so hold on. All right, so go ahead and take your periodic table and get ready to label it. Need some red so it's easy to see. What we're going to do, if you remember, I did some demonstrations. Kind of ignore hydrogen for right now, but we did some demonstrations for the reactivity of metal. I put these three elements in water, and they all react. All right, so anything in family 1 reacts with cold water, so CW, and acid. So CWA means cold water and acid. All right, you can write it anywhere that you want on your periodic table. All right, make sure that we remember that in metals, reactivity increases as I go down and as I come over. So if lithium reacts with cold water, then absolutely anything below it will as well. All right, then we did magnesium, and it only reacted in hot water and acid. Beryllium would do the same. All right, but then from calcium lower, everything is cold water and acid. Okay. All right, aluminum, we were able to react with acid only. And below it is acid only, and the rest of these families no react. Right, so just remember that anything below it matches whatever is above it, and then you should be fine. So anything in family 1, cold water and acid. The top 2 in family 2, hot water and acid only. And anything below that, cold water. Family 3, acid only. No reaction, no reaction, no reaction. All right, so let's make sure that we understand these rules, and then let's work through a couple of the homework. All right, so we here have these questions. It says, for each of the following elements, use one of the following phrases to describe their reactivity. All right, so these should work out for us now. Look at your periodic table that you just labeled. Strontium, or Sr, it is in family 2. It is towards the bottom of family 2, and the bottom of family 2 has to be reacts with cold water and acids. All right, here I have indium. If we go back, hold on. If we go back and we look at indium, it's by aluminum underneath it. Aluminum was acid only. I think I said that wrong in one of the hours, and I apologize. Aluminum is acid only, so anything below it would be acid only. So we go back, reacts with strong acid only. That's B. No, I did it wrong. I did this one of my hours. Antimony, if we look back at antimony is right here in the column. There's no reaction. Right? So we have, does not react with acid or water. That would be, okay, the rest of those just follow that pattern. Now these we have to remember the arrows. The arrows for reactivity, and we'll go over those in the next